Good afternoon. This is a video to show you how to begin your PowerPoint presentation for Introduction to Computers CPTR 1500. I'm in my Gator Mail account. Click on the Windows icon up here and select PowerPoint. Now I'm using, if you have PowerPoint on your computer, you'll have more options, but just in case you don't, I'm just showing this using the Microsoft 365 that's provided through North Shore Technical Community College. Okay, now if you choose one of these themes, it's going to be a presentation that's going to include graphics, and it's going to be very specific to your to the presentation that they're doing. So I suggest that you go with the blank presentation. All right, I'm going to, first instruction is to select a design. So go to this design tab and I'm going to choose a design, and there's not a whole lot of options here, but I'm going to go with the wisp, and you can see that there are a few different variants, color options. And I'm sorry, that's not the one that I wanted. Let me change that. I'm going to change it to Madison. Okay, let's see what options we have here. No, that's still not the one that I wanted. I looked at this earlier, and I apologize for the delay. Let me try this one. Still not it. Okay. 3 strikes, I'm out. I'm already out. Let me do this again. Okay. Why it looks so different now, I'm not sure. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to choose this variant 3 because I like the warmer colors. But if you choose the cooler colors or the charcoal, that is perfectly fine. All right, this is my title. So I'm going to go ahead and use this title, and I'm just going to type my favorite themes. That's the title. And on the subtitle for the instructions, I want you to use your name and then the title of the course. And this is semester fall 2024. Okay, now that was the title. I'm also going to do something. I want to add a background. I don't like the white. I want to warm it up. So I'm going to click on this solid fill, and you see the theme colors based on the variant that we chose. So it gives us colors that are in that scheme. All right, so next thing I want to do is I'll go back to the Home tab. I want to select New Slide. So my new slide that I'm going to do, I'm just going to go with a blank because I want to choose the method, the way I want to display. So I'm going to insert a picture. And I have saved a picture of my favorite city, so I'm going to look for that. And let's see, here we go. So I'm inserting the picture. I'm going to move that up. Now I want to insert a text box. And I'm going to just insert it below here. And I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, and I'll come back and edit it in a different video. So that's all I'm going to do to this. Now I want to insert another new slide, and this one I'm going to choose the all right, I'm going to go with this title and content. So my next one is my favorite foods, and again I'll come back and I'll come back and edit it later. All right, I'm going to copy and paste just to try to save time. Okay, and my next slide's my favorite hobby. So I'm going to go with the same. I'm just going to duplicate. So when you go to, let's see, I'm trying to remember, where do you go to do, okay, just right click on this in the slide sorter over here to the left. Just right click on that slide, and I want to duplicate that slide. So now this time I'm going to do my favorite hobbies. Okay, I'm sorry, I couldn't tell if it was still recording. It's not displaying for some reason. Okay, so I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna delete this text, and I will add my text for my favorite hobbies, and I'm just gonna paste those. All right, again, I'll come back and edit this later. Okay, my favorite book. I'm just going to duplicate this again, and I'll change the text here to book, and then I'm going to insert a picture of the book. And so I'm going to go to insert, go to pictures, and it's saved on this computer in my pictures. And so I'm going to insert that picture, which is the cover of the book. Okay, I'll come back and edit that in another video. And all right, I'm going to duplicate this again, and and I'm copying. I'm sorry, I'm just copying it here. I'll come back in and delete this. I'm going to insert text this time, so I want a text box. And then I'm going to I'm going to copy this text to save time so you don't have to watch me type. Okay, and then I didn't require it, but I'm going to add another, I'm going to insert a slide just as a conclusion. So I'm going to use this, and I'll insert a text box. Well, no, okay. I'm going to do this. All right, and I'll come back and again do the editing in another video. All right, and I do want to put a picture here. Again, I'm going to insert a picture, and that's going to be from one that I've saved. So let me get to it. Got a lot of stuff here. All right, so I'm going to move this picture. I'll have to come back and crop that. I'm going to move the picture over here. So I'll come back and fix this stuff later. Okay, so that shows you how to create. And I'm going to go back and I want to add, I'm going to design. I want that background for all of my slides. I thought it would give me the option to apply it to all. Um, but it's not. But anyway, I'm going to go back and add that background for each of the slides.